We did part 3. People loved it. Part 4, we missed him, and he's back here with part 5. But I just feel that when we did Houseful, we never thought it would be a franchise. But I think Sajid Nadarwala came up with a brilliant script, and then it became part 2, and then part 3. Sajid Khan directed that one, and we are here with part 5. I think the love from the audience has been immense for this franchise, and that's the reason we are back. Hopefully, people watch this film with as much love they have watched the previous parts, and hopefully, we come back with part 6 again.
Thank you. So I'm there one question for you. This is your debut, big debut, and it's a big moment for you. Tell us what was your first day on set was, how was it, and who made you laugh the loudest on the sets?
I think I'm truly grateful and very privileged to be sharing a screen space with all the stalwarts, and it's an amazing opportunity, and I feel truly blessed. And from the day one, I felt like we are on a picnic. Everybody's so warm, welcoming. Not even for a moment I felt like that this is my first big film and opportunity. I'm so grateful to everyone who made me feel like I'm just being part of this, and so respectful. Uh, so much to learn from, and I'm so blessed and grateful to be here. I'm so overwhelmed, and I definitely want to take the opportunity to just say thank you to my god sister Varda. Because of her, and of course because of Sajid sir and everybody, I get to share this screen space with everybody I would have ever imagined to start with.
And I'd just like to add, it did not feel like it was her first time.
Yes, I have worked a bit before, but yes, sharing a big screen that with
Amazing.
seriously.
We have a lot to learn.
No, thank you.
Hello. Yeah, hi. Here, so in the center. This is Aina from Instant Bollywood. I have a question to all of y'all. That you all have reached the 5th franchise, and I feel like it's sort of very difficult for one film to successfully reach the 5th sequel of it, to sort of have a new flavor, same characters, and at the same time keeping the core of Houseful the same. Is it challenging for you guys to sort of bring out a new story and bring out a new laugh every single time?
It's nice. I've written the last 4 part also, and I have some great friends in journalists like Komal is here. He's always been gracious enough. Whenever I deserved half star, he gave me 1. So this is the 5th. I think he gives me 1 star per thing that this will be a 5-star film. And all the journalists have been very kind. The audience has been very nice. To reach 5 first time in India, it's not an easy task. And we didn't start that 15 years back. None of us knew that we're going to reach this milestone of being the first Indian film to touch 5. 5 is only because all the 4 succeeded. So I hope and pray that the audience loves it. My team, my friends, all the journalists loves it, and we hope that we are ready for number 6. Thank you.
I just
Akshay sir, any prank?
one sec. I just like to add that I don't think there's any better way to celebrate 75 years of Nadirwala grandson next year. Congratulations.
Lastly, Akshay sir, this was such a fun ensemble cast. Any prank that went behind?
All the pranks, trust me, was played by Jackie sir.
दादा प्रैंक के बारे में बताओ.
बोल रहे ये सबसे बड़ा प्रैंक है. आवाज ही नहीं. इतने बड़े बड़े जोकर है वहाँ गया. सबसे बड़ा जिसने अभी बोला सफेद सूट में, उसके सामने कौन बोल सकता है कुछ. एक नंबर का बदमाश है. खड़े खड़े शर्ट कब निकाल देता मालूम नहीं पड़ता. किया है तूने बहुत बार. तो फ्रैंक ने इन लोग को देखने से ही मजा लिया. पूरा गेम में खो गया. मंसूर खानी ने संभाला. बाकी का पूरा गैंग तो अपना ये पुराना सब है. कोई नया है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही नया है. मेरे बाजू में आजू बाजू बहुत खूबसूरत है. गोली चाचा मेरे साथ है, मेरा सीनियर, जिसकी मैं बहुत इज्जत करता हूँ, बहुत प्यार देता हूँ. बाकी जिसके बारे में बोलो, सब अपने लोग ये बड़ो, आप लोग अपने खाली लेवल अलग अलग लगे ले सब, सबके ऊपर एक लेवल है, बाकी वही छे सुबह मालूम पड़ता है। और मालूम चाहिए, हाँ बाबा छोटी बच्ची है यारे, हाँ बाबा, हाँ माँ मेरे बाप, अच्छा हमारे कोई शक ही नहीं बड़ू, बहुत मजा आया, मेरा भिड़ू आई नहीं आज, संजू बाबा आया नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम, मगर वो मैं अपने सामने ही है, ये शुड टेक हिम, उनका शूटिंग कहीं चल रहा है, मगर हम लोग का जोड़ी पिक्चर के अंदर है, और बहुत हम लोग ने एक दूसरे को बहुत पुरानी बातें भी की, नहीं भी की, मजे लिया, तुम लोग भी लो मेरी जान, कुछ ज़्यादा बोलवाना पकावाने बड़े बड़े बोलने वाले, जैसा कि ये बोल बाबा बोल सफेद सूट, और राइटर बाबा मेरा राइटर है, बस क्या एक बार तो थोड़ा
It's never complete without Farhad in Houseful. Thank you to our distributor. It's very difficult to release this film because उनकी लाइफ बर्बाद होने वाली. Which theater will have which climax? Pen Murudhar, संजय जी आप भी आ जाइए. Very difficult. The most he has to do it in Singapore. He has to do it in America. He has to do it in UK, where laws are different. So every theater will have.